What's up, guys? Oh, that was weird. Hi, guys. I am Akira, your friendly neighborhood knitter, and I've decided to start weekly vlogging. So today's Monday, and it is 1 in the evening. This morning we had some guys come out. Oh, I got a speck. Hold on. You're a little dirty. There you go. You had some on your face. I had to get it off, boo. I don't even think I did. Oh, dang. Wait. Is that better? There you go, girl. I got it off for you. Okay, so this morning the internet guys came out to fix my internet. So I have episode 73 of my podcast uploading. This week is Mission Complete Aiden's sweater, and we're gonna try it. So I just figured, why not vlog this week? I want to do more videos on the channel, so I'm deciding to add vlogs because I do podcast reviews and like knitting vlogs, but maybe just some life vlogs would be, you know, kind of fun. It is a rainy, dreary day today, so I'm not expecting to do much today. But I was trying to decide what I wanted to eat right now because I'm a little hungry, and my friend Whitney Marie Anderson inspired me to just ice my coffee when I can't finish it in time and it gets cold. But for some reason the coffee is tasting better since it's iced. Do I like cold coffee? Maybe. So yeah, I am trying to decide what to do. So my thought process is possibly, I really want Caesar salad, but my way. So my thought process is to make fry like some chicken tenders and cut them up in the thing. So I may do that. And then also the chicken tenders will be for the boys, and I'll make them some tater tots on the side. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess come along with me throughout the week. So this is Monday. I'm talking too much because I'm nervous. Okay, let me know if you like these videos by giving a thumbs up and possibly subscribe. Maybe you should. We're trying to get to 1,000. So yeah. So I guess I'll come back once I figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner or lunch, because it's like lunch. So. All right, so we finished our chicken tenders. I figured I would taste test for you guys before I put it on said salad and give it to said children. So let's see. These look very hot, which they are. Okay, they're not fully. Let's do this. Okay, boom. Chicken is cooked. I love to see it. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, I did that. Oh, man. That one tastes so good on the salad. Bro. Those are fire. Fire. I'm so proud of me. I can't stop eating it because it's so good. Yeah, so let me make the kids some tater tots, toss up my salad, and let's have lunch together. Why not? I'll come back in a minute. All right, lunch is ready. He's very upset, so I'm gonna feed him now. So Daddy's home. Say hello, Daddy. Okay.
Hello! Ice cream!
It's alright. So I'm gonna get dinner made for him, and then I'm gonna make a snack I found. Okay. I'm gonna make a snack I found on the TikTok. So I'm very excited.
You want what?
They're called smashed potatoes.
What?
So I'm probably gonna film that too, because we're vlogging.
What do you think?
So I'll probably come back when that's getting started.
No ice cream.
So the potatoes didn't come out like I expected, but I just let my husband have them as a side. And for his dinner, I made him pork chops, and the kids are eating potatoes. Are they good?
Yeah.
You too? You're so handsome. So I think now I'm gonna have maybe like a snack before bed. But yeah, so I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. You want to say hi? Okay, tell them good night.
Good night. Baby,
Oh, it feels good? Oh.
Good night. Good night.
Good morning. It is Tuesday.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. I got coffee milk. Baby, guy. Quacky milk, quack. Yeah, I be better.
So it's another gloomy day outside. I am about to make brunch because it's like 12. So about to make brunch. So I'm just gonna do some eggs and bacon, and I have some leftover rice. So I'll eat that. Well, we'll all eat that as well. Probably going to do a lot of playing in the playroom, listening to a little bit of music, doing some knitting and some games today. So,
Dad, okay, this is my mom's house and my house.
yeah,
I put it.
thank you. So, so yeah, it'll be like probably a quick Tuesday. Also, Grandma, I see it, it's okay. Grandma wants to see the kids as well, so I'm sure they'll see Grandma at some point today. So, yeah, I'll probably come back when breakfast is ready. So it's later. Don't know how much later since the last clip. I don't even remember what I was doing. But we're having dinner now. So he's having burgers and potatoes and jazz. I ran out of breadcrumbs, so I'm making breadcrumbs for the chicken thing because I really liked that yesterday. So I'm gonna have, again, chicken and a Caesar salad. So, yes. Oh, and I'm talking to my best friend. Wait. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yes. So, yeah, I'll probably come back when my food is done. So, yeah. So the boys are awake. That's them back there.
Hi. I got you. Look, my baby. Hi.
So for breakfast today, I'm doing pancakes with homemade syrup, and it's going well. So we will come back at breakfast time.
Hi. I got pancake.
Go back to my egg.
Syrup may look runny, but it's homemade, so that's why it looks that way. I dilute it with a lot of water because I don't want it too sweet. So we're gonna eat breakfast. Alright, good morning. It is Friday. I didn't record yesterday because
Hi, mommy. Hi. And my mommy hi.
I didn't record yesterday because it was my sister's birthday, and we went over there and we were playing music that would definitely get copyrighted. So I just enjoyed the moment yesterday.
Baby, what the hi?
Well, baby, okay, you can go get him.
Okay.
So this morning, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and kind of sit on what I want to make for breakfast today. I'm in between pancakes again because they just came out so delicious the other day. I'm in between pancakes and eggs, bacon, and rice. I may do the rice, but I'm still on the fence. I don't know. Maybe I could do like pancakes, eggs, and rice. I just do a full palette because you can never have too much, I guess.
I look at my baby.
Look at your baby.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
So I'm gonna make us chocolate milk and coffee. Today's game plan is lots of knitting. I am halfway through the body of Aiden's sweater. Our goal is to get this done by the 27th.
Mama, do you want coffee?
Low key by like the 25th, which is in 2
Mama,
days.
say bye.
Okay, I'm gonna make the coffee. Just give me a second, okay? Okay, thank you. So I'm on the body right now. So after the body, I have the hood, and I also have to knit an I-cord for the strings, and then it'll be done. So yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and get that done. I will show you some progress on that in just a moment. So let's get this coffee started, and yeah.
So there's that. So yeah, knitting has kind of taken a little bit of a backseat. My time is completely chaotic.
So I filmed a podcast, and this is where I was. So now I'm down here. Wait, let me. All right, so now I'm down here. So we're gonna knit some and see how we get on. All right, so back in the kitchen, the boys decided on pancakes again today, so I'm gonna
Mommy,
go get us some pancakes.
Mommy, say hi. Hi, I'm from the barman. My grandma can help me. This is my baby. Hello.
So I'm gonna make breakfast, so we'll come back. Y'all, I played myself. I was like, oh, these pancakes are gonna be great. I had this much waffle mix left, so I had to make a Walmart order to get the. I still get the groceries delivered. I'm sorry, y'all. I pay for that that thing, and I'm gonna use it. So I had to get. Yeah, you can play the game.
No. I don't want to play games.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
No,
Okay. So I had to make an order for more pancake milk. We also ran out of milk. Okay. 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 Are you asking you want me to find it? Is that what you're asking? Okay. Okay. So yeah, I had to make a Walmart order. And so that doesn't get here till like 6 or 7. So yeah. Aiden has decided on hot dogs, so I shall be getting the boys hot dogs instead. So yeah. Alright guys, so we took a trip outside, so now we are back in the house. Excuse me, so I believe we're going to go ahead and just relax inside. I love when you steal my iced coffee. That's my favorite. So here we go. More knitting. We are on. Oh, okay. More knitting. We are determined to finish the body today. I realized I never end the vlogs at night. I just like vlog through the day and then turn the camera off. So Aiden and Ethan went to see Grandma. Aiden is currently upset because it is bedtime. If that's what you hear, he is fine. He's in the crib. He's just upset that it's bedtime. That's probably why I don't film at night. Definitely makes me look like a rude mommy. But no, it's bedtime. He does this literally every night. So Aiden and Ethan went to see Grandma, so I got some cleaning up done, and then I'm just gonna clean up a little bit more before putting Ethan in the bed, and my husband should be home soon, so I think Saturday will be the last day on the vlog, and you should get this by Sunday. So fingers crossed. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. It is Saturday. We're getting a late start to our Saturday because there's something awesome that I'm going to show you. But today we have on the agenda, my city is having like a vendors day, and over 39 vendors are going to be outside. So I'm excited to take you guys to that. And yeah, and my mom is smoking some chicken. So, and I'm going to teach my friend Demi how to knit. And my sister's coming. It's just gonna be the bomb. So let me show you why I'm so excited. Sit you down right here. There we go. I am so excited because we have a finished little body. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh, this is the mini Montrealer by Designs by Delz. So all I have left is the hood. I'm gonna make an I-cord out of this color called Arctic, and then make the hood, and then I am done. And then we only have one more sweater to go, which is my husband's sweater, and it's gonna be fantastic. So I'm gonna get a cup of coffee for this afternoon and start editing this footage. Yes, come say hi.
Hi, got my shoe on.
You got your shoes on?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
they're cool.
They're cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my bag! Hello! Hello!
So we're gonna start editing this footage and then knitting an I-cord string. So let's go. Hi guys, so it's much later. One, I didn't get to go to the vendors because it became 100 degrees outside and everybody was packing up. So now I am here marinating chicken for tomorrow's dinner. I'll be making butter chicken, and the kids are finishing their bedtime and getting ready for bed. So hopefully my next vlog will not be as boring as these seem to have been. And tell everybody good night.
No, okay.
And you're gonna say good night.
Hi. Hi.
And then there's Daddy in the back. He's excited.
Never say good
Excited
night.
to be off tomorrow.
Good night. 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 Good night.
Well, come on, so we can go good night.
Good night.
So yes, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you did like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and I guess you'll tune into my podcast to see if I finished Aiden's sweater or not. But I am so glad that you got to be a part of the process. So until next time.
Bye.